Alrighty guys, Michael Blueface Plus, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be breaking the steering loose on my Carolina skiff. I'm getting ready to put it up for sale. So it's been sitting, so the steering gets stuck. So what you want to do is take this apart here, take this socket off here with a big monkey wrench. Take this off. So we're going to take this, and this, and we're going to try to turn this to break it loose, and then we're going to actually try to pull the whole thing out so we can clean inside of there with a brush and then put some grease and then put it back in. So let's see how this all works out. Alright, so we got this nut loose. Just make sure you don't lose the washer. This should just pull right up, sit off the side. Now this should spin freely, so that's not the problem. Little trick you could do to help turn this around. You could probably put some grease in there and just do this, and that might help break it loose right there. So let's go back up the steering wheel and see if that helped. Not too much. So we're going to continue and take this off and try to pull this out. Alrighty, so putting a wrench there, I was able to break this loose and pull this off of here. You definitely want to get some knock loose. Try to get some knock loose in there. Then we're going to try to tap it with a mallet. See if we can get this thing broke free and out of there. Alrighty guys, after doing that back and forth, we've been using some brake clean, really sticking it in there. Make sure it don't get on your hands or your eyes. Really just been flushing that out really clean. Back and forth, back and forth. Get all that dirt and grease out of there. Now once that dries, I'm gonna go get my grease gun. We're gonna pump some grease in there, grease this all up, close it back up, and it should be good to go. Alrighty, we've got it all caked up with the grease. Now we're gonna go ahead and start putting it back in there. Hopefully it takes a lot of that. That's what we want. Oh yeah. Oh, just like that. And leave some of that grease on there too. Ain't worried about it. Grease is our friend here. I already pumped it in there. When you pump it in, it shoots out of those two little points. You just wipe off all the excess. So we're going to tighten this up and see how she works. And just there she goes. Get it all the way out. We'll put some grease on that shaft and pull it back in. Alrighty guys, so we got her all loosened up. So we just got to go in and out a few times and then get all that residual off. And for the most part, if it's still not loose enough, just pull it all apart again, clean it some more, and just the main thing is getting some good clean grease in there and getting everything that's causing it to bind up. So I hope this video helps. Check out some of my other videos. So I appreciate y'all for sticking tuned. Like, subscribe, leave a message. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching Blueface Plus. Take care. Happy safe boating. God bless.